the cash payments journal for any time that you that you paid cash, and then in turn we have the cash receipts journal, which that can be used anytime you receive cash. So it gives us transactions. The example says we received cash on account from Oakley Company, $371, covering S96, and that's R144. The R stands for receipt, and we'll just go fast.
Let's do it. Let's go quick here. Let's get this. I got other stuff I need to be working on. Tell you what, American Lake, that's a killer right there.
I have World Play right now. Do you have how many pages up in your night?
Funk, you got this?
35.
35 pages.
Yeah.
That's the pro one.
Funk, you got this?
Maybe. We're getting tough.
So after 30 pages.
Funk, you got this?
Ethan From is like a
Okay. So R stands for receipt, and it says we received cash on account. So what are we, I've got a whole bunch of columns here. What am I using?
Yeah, we got a sharp time. Wait, what was the thing?
Received cash on account.
So is your cash?
Your debit. You gotta have general. Oh, well, you got a cash debit column, so you're gonna throw that puppy in there since you received it.
Okay, but then what else? If I debit cash, I know that I'm debiting cash for $371.
Accounts receivable credit?
That's exactly what I would do. So I'd go accounts receivable credit.
For a total of 371 smackers.
Yep. All right, Funk. Read the next one to me.
Alright,
Gotta love the funky.
On the
13th,
Yep.
okay,
You
recorded
were
cash
writing money,
and credit
yeah.
card sales, 8,361.60 cents.
Okay.
And plus tax, sales tax, 501.70, total 8,863.30 cents.
Okay. So on the 13th says recorded cash and credit card sales, and it gives us the numbers. If I look at my columns, what columns do you suppose I'm going to use?
Sales.
Yeah, I for
Sales
sure
tax.
sales. Okay. So sales is a definite. What else? Because it says I'm recording cash and credit card.
Yeah, credit cards.
Cash, debit for sure. What else?
Sales tax?
Sales tax. Okay, so what are we going to put, because we don't really have an account here.
Credit card sales?
Well, it's even easier than that. When you record the sales, and this is from, it says TS 43. So I'm going to write TS 43. And TS stands for terminal summary. So at the end of the night, when you're working at a cash register, you will, when you close your cash register, it will print you out a receipt, and it will say, this is how much money should be, this is how many receipts should be in the drawer. So all you're doing then is you're recording the total amount of cash that I have come in, the total amount of tax that I have come in to equal my cash. So all I'm going to do is put a check mark. Check mark there. So my sales, what's the amount that my sales should have?
8361.
8361.60.
Oh, that we can't really see.
And your sales tax? should
So now
have-
my sales tax is 501.70.
That's a high sales tax.
And I have 8863.30.
So whenever you have the TX, it's a check mark?
Yep. It'll always be a check mark. And then similar to when we purchase stuff, and we received a discount, sometimes when we sell stuff, if people pay their bill on time, we will also give them a discount. So it says received cash on account from Sierra Supply covering S97 for $59.89 less a 2% discount.
Sierra Supplies.
So, yep, since it's a company,
Brr, received cash.
this is our, what? 145?
Cash debit, sales discount debit.
Okay, but it says we gave them a 2% discount.
Right.
So the amount of money they owe us is $59.89.
Mhm.
At the end of this transaction, they're gonna owe us nothing, so I'm gonna put my $59.89 right here.
$5,989 in the receivable.
So now I need to figure out, we're accepting less cash because we're giving them a discount. So I take my $59.89 times 2% and I get what?
I gotcha.
Very good question.
So $59.89 times 0.02.
Oh, shoot. 119.78.
What is it?
119.
Oh, 119.78. All right. So the amount of money they're paying us is actually $59.89 minus 119.78, and you should get
5869.22.
5869.22.
Is that right?
That's quality, I like it.
Is that right?
That's good.
It's possible.
Now we just gotta now we have to total it.
5869.22. Yep. It says for the end of the month, total proven rule, cash receipts journal. Okay. So we are on the 31st.
We did put totals.
Totals. And then we have an underline.
So
I will add the general credit columns.
I'll get the sales tax payment. 6360 for the first one.
6360.
Yes, sir. And then the last one.
83, 61, 60. Oh,
I think the
170.
last one's 15,103.52,
I didn't have it.
but you can Catherine's gonna check.
$15,103.52.
Yep.
15,103.52. All right, so we're gonna check this first. Our general debit, we don't have anything.
Yep. Yep.
Our sales discount debit column, we have 119.78. And then we have 15,103.52. General credit is none. Accounts receivable credit is 6360. Sales credit is 8361.60. Sales tax payable.
Come on. Oh, we are in deep.
Oops, I put it on the wrong line. So sorry. 119.78.
We're not ready for. Oh, wait a second.
Wait, 119.78.
No, that doesn't go there.
It comes out of
No,
here.
you already put 119.78.
You're right.
What are you doing?
So we go 501.70.
This isn't gonna come.
You didn't put zero in
Yeah,
the
it
general
is.
credit column.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
Oh, wait, no, it's not.
So 8361 is supposed to be on the,
I'll add it.
another line, right?
That's 99 from close.
Yeah.
Oh,
It should be right.
Yeah, it's good, it's good. Yep. 150. I thought the 50170 was 5,000. So.
So what
That
is
should
it?
be 15,223.3.
Yep.
15,223.3.
Yes, sir. Chloe is just on point.
Okay, then the next thing it does is it tells us to prove cash.
That's good.
So our cash proof is this. It says proof cash, October 1st, cash account balance in the general ledger was $11,764.96. So that is-
764 what? 764 what?
$11,764.96.
96. Got it.
It says plus total cash received during the month. Well, what is our total cash received during the month?
15,103.52.
15,103.52. We get
Yes,
that
sir.
number from right there.
And then just total that.
We do total that.
I add it.
26,868.48.
26,868.48.
48.
Okay, less total cash paid during the month. Well, that would be the total of our cash credit column from our cash payments journal, which it tells us in this instance is 8779.53
Where'd you get that?
from the book.
Oh,
8779.53.
so we just subtract it.
Subtract that.
Okay.
18,088.95.
18,088.95.
Yeah.
And in the book, it tells us if you've done everything correctly, the balance on the next unused check stub should be $18,088.95.
Boom. Wait, what's the?
So I'm gonna put
So just write it down
18,088.95.
at the bottom again.
Yep.
18,000.
And if that comes out equal, now I can come up here and do my double underline.
That was some quality work today.
Ooh.
That's where he says, no, we're moving on to 10 threes.